Most people struggle financially, not because they don't work hard, but because they don't understand the harsh realities of money. If you don't learn these 7 financial truths, you'll stay stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle. The wealthy know these lessons, and once you do too, you'll never look at money the same way again. Truth number 1. No one is coming to save you. The government, your employer, and even your family aren't responsible for your financial future. You are. If you don't take control of your money, no one else will. Waiting for someone to fix your situation is the fastest way to stay broke. Truth number 2. A job will never make you rich. A job gives you a paycheck, but it will never make you wealthy. The real money is made by owning asset stocks, real estate, businesses, not by trading all your time for money. If you don't find a way to make money work for you, you'll always be stuck working for it. Truth number 3. Debt can either make or break you. Most people are taught to fear debt, but the truth is, debt is a tool. It can either trap you in poverty or help you build wealth. The rich use low-interest debt to invest in income-generating assets, while the poor stay stuck paying high-interest consumer debt that drains their income. Truth number 4. Inflation is stealing your wealth. If your money is just sitting in a bank account, you're losing purchasing power every year. Inflation quietly eats away at cash, meaning your savings today will buy less in the future. The only way to stay ahead is to invest in appreciating assets. Truth number 5. The education system won't teach you about money. School teaches history, math, and science, but it doesn't teach you how to build wealth. If you don't actively learn about money, investing, and business, you'll be at a disadvantage your entire life. Financial education isn't optional, it's survival. Truth number 6. Taxes favor the rich if you know the game. The rich don't just make money, they know how to keep more of it. They use tax deductions, legal loopholes, and business structures to lower what they owe. Meanwhile, employees pay the highest taxes because they don't take advantage of the system. If you don't learn tax strategies, you're leaving money on the table. Truth number 7. The middle class is disappearing. Relying on a job, savings account, and outdated financial advice is a fast track to financial struggle. If you don't adapt by building multiple income streams, investing, and thinking like the wealthy, you'll get left behind. Financial security isn't given, it's built. The bottom line: money is a game, and if you don't know the rules, you'll lose. The wealthy use assets, investing, tax strategies, and financial education to grow their wealth while everyone else struggles. The sooner you accept these harsh truths, the faster you can change your financial future.